Hi Ray, just a couple of quick things to brief in. The demo map, once I log in, this should change to map and this should change to log out. Currently, well, they don't do that. So I'll just show you on my screen so you can see it on my end. So I've just logged in, I'm on the map page. That should be map, so that if people navigate to any of these pages, they can just click on here and come back to this map page. That's only, that map up there should only be available once people are logged in. If it's logged out, it should be demo. And I have logged in, but this is still saying log in, so that should switch over to log out. That's about it. See how you go with that. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.